So guys, today is one more game on the LeetCode Cam channel, and in today's video we are solving our question number 543 by the name of diameter of binary tree. Okay, and so please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And it's an easy one question which we are solving. In that question there are some of the topics are included by the name of tree, depth first search, and binary tree. So now anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's try to solve our 543 question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with logging it. Guys, here you can see it, one more advertisement came on the LeetCode Cam channel, and in today's video we are solving our question number 543 by the name of diameter of binary tree. And please go and see the previous video, okay, which I have uploaded, because that video is very helpful for the people, okay, who are starting his coding journey. Because in that video I have told you the one AI detector pro website, so go and visit that video. Okay, I will give the link in the description of that video. Okay, now let's start. Now 543 question by the name of 543 diameter of binary tree. So first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we will be start to solve it. Okay, now it has been given me a one root of a binary tree, and what we want to do is we want to represent the length of a diameter of a tree. Okay, please highlight it a diameter. Now okay, so we want to represent the diameter of our tree. Now the diameter of a binary tree is our length of a longest path between any two nodes in a tree, and this path may or may not pass through the root. Okay, and this is highlight this thing, diameter and length. Okay, and now what we want to do, we want to the length of a path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. What we gonna do now, it is saying me the length of a path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. Okay, and what is our task in today's video, you are saying, you are thinking, I mean, we want it in the length of a diameter of the tree. Okay, this is our task. Now let's see our two cases. Okay, there's two cases which it has given me. If you see this diagram in which he created a one binary tree, in first binary tree here he wrote in down 0, sorry, here he wrote in down 1. Now let's give the weight of it till here. Now perfect, here it created a one binary tree. Okay, one root of a binary tree, then it is going into, and then it is going 3. Okay, means to it is going till 4, and then it is going from 5. Okay, it is a one root of a binary tree which had been created. Okay, and if you see the root here, in the root here you wrote in on 1 2 3 4 5, if you see here. Okay, and the output incoming 3. Why? Because 3 is the length of a path, means 4 2 1 3 or 5 2 1 3. Okay, so that's why the output incoming 3 is our length of a path. Now if you see here in the root of a binary tree, here he wrote in down 1 2, and the output having coming 1. And these are the constraints which you use to solve this question. Here you can see it. The number of nodes in the tree is the range 1 10 and square 4 minus 100 less than equals to node.vl less than equal to 100. Now let's come on it here. Let's start to solve this question, and this is an easy one question which we are solving, and total 3 million people have submit this and only 2 million people have accepted. And there is some of the topics are included in today's solving video: tree, depth first search, and binary tree. In the short form you say depth first search means DFS. Okay, in the short form you say it. Okay, so now we are solving this question in the Python 3, because like you all the people know, we are solving our all the question in the Python 3 from the starting. So let's start. And now first of all I define here class of a solution, because it's a rule of a LeetCode Cam. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution. So if you did not define a class of a solution, so it will give you an error. So define a def keyword diameter of binary tree self comma root optional tree node. Okay, So now when I do this, so here I define a tree node minus greater than int semicolon enter. Now define in the end I will be explaining you the each line of code. Def keyword diameter node.res. Now here I base case if the node is none, comma it returns 0. And now perfect. Back. If statement not return 0, enter. Now when I do this, enter back, recursively calculate the diameter left and right subtrees. Left equals to diameter equals to node dot left comma res. Right equals to diameter node dot right comma res. Enter. Perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so now what we want to do now, here I define update the maximum diameter in count rate so far. Res 0 equals to max, res and then 0 comma left plus right. Now here I return the depth of the current node. Okay, and what we gonna do now, here I return max left comma right plus 1. Now when we gonna do this all the things, so now here I initialize a list to hold the maximum diameter in count rate. Okay, and now here I define res equals to, in the square bracket I define 0. Okay, in the programming we say it parentheses. Okay, now call the diameter function starting from the root. Diameter root comma res, run the maximum diameter in count rate. Okay, and res 0. Perfect. Now let's explain you the code. So now first of all, in this fourth line here I define one recursive function to calculate the diameter. Then in the 6th to 7th line here I define a base case if node is none, so then it will be written 0. Then in the 10th to 11th line here I recursively calculate the diameter of left and right subtrees. Okay, then in this line, in the 14th line here I update the maximum diameter in count rate so far, and then in the 17th line here I did in the depth of the current node, and then in the 20 line here I initialize a list to hold the maximum diameter in count rate. Then in the 23 line here I call the diameter function which is starting from the root, and then in the 25 line here I did in the maximum diameter which is in count rate. Okay, now we solve it about all the question in the Python 3. So now I solved this question in the Python. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been error. It has been given me error in the running code. Dynamic tree of a binary tree. Okay, self comma root. Okay, by the name this optional I define optional. Okay, so that's why it has been giving me error. So it has been accepted now. So in the case whenever expected output is 3 and mouse output coming 3. Okay, and the case to the expected output is 1 and mouse output coming 1. So now let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be let's see it is correct or not. It has been also be corrected, and I paid 6.44% people. Okay, so now let's page distribution. Now easy solution beats in Python 3. For more explanation, visit quote Rayyan. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's solving video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I have posted this solution now. So now, if you want to visit my profile, so go and visit. My profile name is Rayyan, so go and view it. Okay, this is my profile. Now, anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on this channel, on the Rayyan channel. So now for today, goodbye.